Why don't we do one video of me standing up? So this is an important video, I think, for new real estate agents or just real estate agents in general. You have to understand that in the beginning of your career, while it may seem easy, real estate is one of those businesses that in the beginning may be much harder for you than some other realtors you may see. So you have to understand that this business is not an overnight success for a lot of realtors. A lot of realtors, it's a 5-year marathon, right? Before you see true fruits of your labor. So I think for most realtors, you can expect to get your first sale, but it may take you 6 months to get your first sale. It may take you 18 months just to kind of get the ball rolling and get things going. If you're looking to speed up that process and join a top 10% team in New England, in New Hampshire, you could give us a call. But just understand this, the real estate agent's business takes time to build just like any business. So expect to not get paid for the first 6 months or 3 months. Expect for your business to really get going to take about 2 years, and expect for you to get all the money that you really wanted to get could take about 5 years. So it's just good things to really think about. I think that those are essential tips for realtors. Our first year, we only sold 1 house. Then the next year we sold 4, then 8, and then last year we did 99. A lot of houses, a lot of volume, helped a lot of people. And I think it's just an important reminder to all realtors. Keep working hard because you may not always see the fruits of your labor right away. However, with hard work and dedication and consistency, you will be able to build the career that you really want to build. It just might take you a little bit longer than you think, and that's okay.